Check the finals. Fix game not launching error code 0 on PC. 1. Restart your PC. Restart your computer. Open Steam again. Launch the finals. Time to start 2. Verify game files. Open Steam. Go to Library. Right-click the finals. Select Properties. Open Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Task 3. Repair Easy Anti-Cheat. Open the finals installation folder. Find the Easy Anti-Cheat setup file. Run it. Select the finals. Click Repair. Restart your PC. Now, how to 4. Run Steam as administrator. Close Steam completely. Right-click Steam. Select Run as administrator. Launch the finals again. 5. Disable overlays. Turn off Steam overlay, Discord overlay, NVIDIA app overlay, AMD overlay, Xbox Game Bar. Then launch the game again. 6. Update your GPU driver. Update your NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics driver. Restart your PC. Try launching the game again. 7. Update Windows. Open Settings, Windows Update. Install all available updates. Restart your PC. 8. Close background apps. Close unnecessary apps such as MSI Afterburner, Rivatuner, Discord, other monitoring or overlay apps. Then launch the finals again. 9. Reset the finals settings. Close the game. Reset the game's local settings config files. Launch the game with default settings. 10. Reinstall the finals. If the problem continues, uninstall the finals. Restart your PC. Install the game again. Launch it without overlays or custom GPU settings first.